third episode of this JavaScript drawing tutorial. So last time we have our graph drawn. So let's try to see what we got last in our episode. So we have this line here. So our objective here is to put some labels here. Let's write the values of the graph per point, and we'll add some little circles here to indicate that this is the point. So let's start it. So go back to our draw.js file. So we will put some comments here. So this is our point analyzation. So we initialize our point. We have our x values, and we have also our last y value to be initialized with our x 0, and then our y with data line 0. As in our array here, line array, we initialize in our function initDraw. Then we call the drawn line graph line array. So this is the first initialized value and last y. And then we add some scale x, because if we do not add a scalar of the x, when we increment the x, is only a 1 pixel, so the graph would be not drawn properly. So then we create a loop, and then we put some comments here. So this is the next point. This is the first point. And then this is the second point. Second point of the line. And then save the last point to last x and last y. So update. Maybe can put save or update. Okay. So now we will add text to our point. We will draw the values of our line graph. So first is we will draw text. So we'll set some font. So maybe we can set to 30 pixels, then Arial. Then we will write the text of the value. Vel text. Then we will write the value of this one. The value of the first array. Data line x. So since this is an array, so data line x, not x plus 1, because that is the next point, but we will write the first point, not the second point. So this just use the data line x, and then the next variable is x and y. So let's just write the last x value, and then the last y value, and then that's it. So just try to compile and run our draw.txt file. So we can adjust the values here a little bit further or higher. So let's try a little bit higher. So we can add some values here in the flux file. Let's say minus, since this is since our coordinates is positive going down. So let's say let's minus 30. And then save and press. So it's getting the text are going up. So then maybe get a bit lower, 20. And then the next is we'll add some circles, circles in the here in our point to indicate that this is the point. So let's put it here first. Then this first the loop. So the command is ctx arc last x, and then last y. The next is radius. Let's say you have the 5px radius. Then start angle 0, and then the end angle is we need to convert mat dot pi. So the whole circumference or the whole circle, we'll draw the whole circle. Okay, so let's try. Let's try to bit. So some arrangement for code. This one and this one. Okay, let's compile it. Just refresh our xpx and then why is not it's not drawn? Let's see what happens. It's not drawn. Last x, last y, 502. Okay, here should be capital. Okay, we have these little circles. You can see. So this is the first point, second point, third point, fourth, fifth, the sixth. So that's it. We have now our graph with those points, circles, and then we have the labels. So stay tuned for our next episode of our tutorial. We will do some bar charts in our canvas.